What's up, guys? It's Greeny, just hanging out in Michigan, taking the dog for a walk. There she is, Luna. Luna, say hi. Whoop. Say hi to the people. Okay. Not sure how that's gonna look on camera. Just bought the new DJI Action 2, so I'm trying it out. See how clear this picture is. It's a beautiful day here in Michigan. It's sunny, not a cloud in the sky, about 67 degrees, a perfect fall day. And the weather was bad the first week I got home, and since then it's been really nice. Went up north last weekend, did some hiking. I'll show you guys that. Check it out, little hike.
I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, stand my way, I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay.
Like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Just a few miles from Paul's house, and there's all kinds of, like I said, ski places, everything, but there's this nice nature preserve. What's it called? Avalanche?
Avalanche Preserve.
Oh, there it is. There's the history of this place if you want to read it. And we're going to go for a little hike here. So he says when we get up to the top, it's real beautiful. Let me show you a little bit of this. Wait, the hiking trail doesn't start for 2.2 miles, or it's 2.2 miles long? Oh, okay. I thought maybe that meant it starts in 2.2 miles.
We're on it.
All right.
You want to pay attention though. I don't want to trip and fall.
Oh, no, I won't. So this is, Michigan. We got the colors changing. What was that? Oh, bikes. Yeah.
Yeah, that's mountain bike.
Now, is the mountain bike trail the same as the walking trail?
Nope.
Oh, separate? Okay. All right, if I see anything nice, I'm going to turn this on and show you guys. And I want
You see this hillside to your right.
Yeah, so this is really nice. I'm surprised it's late in the season. There's still so many leaves up, you know. Mm-hmm. But
by Thanksgiving, I'll be down.
Right. So some of the things I like about Michigan, guys, I love Thailand, but I do miss the fall season in Michigan. The colors changing, and I do miss, being out on the lake in the summer. So this is a really good state. Really good state. For all that, for if you enjoy all four seasons. All right here. Wow, look at that.
One to the right.
Okay. Nice. All right, we're almost at the lookout, but I don't know if you guys, it's hard to see. Let me see if I can zoom in. There's like a ridge up there in a valley, and it goes down. It's beautiful, but I don't think it'll show up too good on the
Oh, so a long time ago, this was the city ski resort, and that is one of the concrete, whatever you'd call it.
For the lift?
For the chairlift, yeah. And
Okay.
anchor piece. In addition to all the other stuff you can do here, a lot of people do frisbee golf here, which is a pretty big deal.
Yeah, that's what that is, yeah.
So there's a 18 hole
frisbee golf. If you guys don't know, my Thailand viewers, in Koh Samui, there's a guy from America that opened a frisbee golf, huge, they have world tournaments there, and they have that here. And so Boyne City, I've heard of Boyne, skiing and everything, so this was like the original Boyne was right here, or?
Well, no, this was a city park of Boyne City. Boyne Mountain is, its own entity, own business.
Right.
In my understanding, I don't know this for a fact, but my understanding is Boyne Mountain bought out this, and then they shut this down and then turned it into a park, gave the land to the city.
Just
for a
not
park.
that
I'm not
competition.
positive about that, though, but.
All right. Well, Paul was telling me about this viewpoint here, and let's go check it out. So we're up on top of the hill that was Boyne City Boyne City skiing, or whatever you just said. But it's supposed to be a nice overlook. guys see that out there? So that little stack right in the middle, that's Lake Michigan. Right. So this goes 18 miles down. Then what do you have to go on a river or something to go to Lake Michigan, or what? A channel. Okay. And how far in the channel do you go? About, you think?
Eighth of a mile, maybe.
Oh, that's it? And then you're in Lake Michigan. Wow. All right, so my friend gave me the option of either taking these stairs down or going back, backtracking. Like, we did 2.2 miles, and instead of going back, we're just gonna take the stairwell. It goes all the way down, because I'm lazy. But not lazy, I mean, 2.2 miles is pretty good for me. When I did the Erewhon waterfalls in Thailand, that was only about a mile up. So this is pretty good, but you can see this goes all the way down. This would be great for a wrestling workout, running stairs up and down this. Downtown Boyne City. And I've been through Boyne City, but I don't think I've ever came into this little downtown area. Looks wonderfully kept up. Wow. Excellent shape. How old do you think these buildings are? From like the 1880s or something, maybe? Subway. All right, here's some real estate for sale up here. Oh, here's some water, 125 Waterfront. It's in town. Wow. $4 million for that one. 159. That's got Greeny's name on him. All right. Check this out, guys. You know what that is? It's not a real telescope. It's like a statue. It's like a metal. Well, I don't know. Is it real? Because it's not a real bird's nest or anything. You can see out. Huh. It's just a sculpture, though. I thought it was some heavy artillery. We see something. It's either waves or fish jumping up and down. We're going to investigate. So in the summer, this is just packed with boats.
This is where I kept mine after I bought it. Because I didn't have a lift yet.
Oh.
Look at all the booze pool. Holy shit.
Ugh. A lot of goose poop.